fan of freestyle? Did you find success on that program and were a little worried when the new WW colored plans came out? Well, don't worry. Nothing's changed in Itrackbites. You can still track the new Myww Blue program, which is freestyle, under Better Balance, just as it is. No workarounds are needed, no additional effort on your part at all. Your rollovers are there, your 200 0-byte foods are there, everything is ready and waiting for you. All you need to do is switch to Better Balance as your plan. Now, this is a pro member option only, and if you're pro, all you're going to do is go down to Profile in the bottom right-hand corner, and then tap your settings wheel in the top right-hand corner. Under your settings screen, you're going to go into Weight Loss Plan, and under Weight Loss Plan, on that top line, you're going to choose Better Balance. Now, it already includes your carryovers, which will allow you to roll over up to 4 points a day, same as WW Blue. And it already has your 200 0-byte foods in the pocket guide. So all you need to do to go blue is change to Better Balance and hit save. That's it. There's nothing tricky about going blue. And you can join us in our main Itrackbites participants group, which I will put in the description box below, as well as all the resource files with the 0-byte lists and plan descriptions. And if you have any questions, just reach out and we'll be happy to help.